Beautiful Brunhilda. Today she's holding 15 psi, hissing like a happy little dragon. Behave today, my queen, please. Mystra is thirsty. Again. My beautiful humidifier. Empty by lunchtime. She drinks more than I do. Welcome to Atticus, home of my beautiful aliens. CO2 sitting at 782, Atticus is breathing. Enoki, chestnut. And look at this beautiful sun right here, fruiting out of the bag. That's my boy. Brunhilda did good. 2 beautiful bags, sterilized to perfection. No melting today. Look at that condensation. That's the sound of a pressure cooker that remembered her purpose. Yellow gloves on, I lift the heavy boy out, and we walk him over to the sterile zone. Careful, don't drop him. Sterile zone activated. Yellow gloves rubbed, green stick rubbed. 70% alcohol on everything that moves, including me. Open the jar. My beautiful grain spawn, fully colonized. 1 solid white brick, which means now I have to break it up with the stick. Very scientific. Twist, push, crush, like making mycelium pasta. My hands hate me. Pour in the babies. My fully colonized grain spawn, straight onto the bulk substrate. First pour, second pour. Every clump matters. This is spawn to bulk inoculation. This is where the magic happens. Or where it gets contaminated. One of the two. We'll find out. The sealer dance. First seal, straight across the top. Tug it, test it. If it doesn't hold, we start over. Second seal, just below the first. Belt and suspenders, like my grandfather. Yes, we fold. Because folding adds another barrier, another wall between my mushrooms and the outside world. Third seal, fourth seal, fifth seal. Am I overdoing it? Probably. Do I care? No. Contamination has feared this bag for centuries. Round 2, friends. Open the bag. Pour the grain. Tap the bottom. Coax the clumps. Every grain is a future mushroom. Look at those colors. White on brown. Life on death. Beautiful. Slightly disturbing. Siegfried's first gift. Lid off. Twist. Lift. Peek inside. 2 more beautiful bags. Dark and damp. Filter patches intact. No melting. Siegfried held the pressure like a champion, unlike his wife. We do not speak of last time. Lift the top bag. Carry him gently, like a sleeping child. Beautiful layers. White grain, dark substrate. My favorite color combination. Snap the bag open. One final look. This is what hope looks like. That sealer is my arch enemy, you guys. Look at these holes. Absolute betrayal. Mix the babies. Look at this layering. White grain on top, dark substrate on the bottom. Pretty. Doesn't matter. We're about to ruin that aesthetic. Flip the bag. Shake the bag. Drop the bag. Flip, shake, drop. This is my cardio for today. Uncle Ven doesn't go to the gym anymore. Uncle Ven shakes mycelium bags. Every grain has to touch every piece of substrate. Every single grain. Or contamination wins. And contamination has been winning lately. Not today, my friend. Not today.